2021, a lot of dunks on the way, man. What's up, everyone? ggkickzz here, bringing you guys yet another banger. Today we're going to be reviewing the Nike Dunk Low in the Cobalt colorway. This is one of the colorways that released on February the 18th. So many colorways released, man. The UNLV, the Coast colorway as well released that day, and it was just a hectic day, man. I was lucky enough to pick up at least one of these. I was kind of hoping for the Coast colorway, even though it was a woman exclusive, but just that baby blue on the Nike Dunk is super fresh. Secondly, my favorite was the UNLV, but whatever, we got these. So first off, hope everybody's having a blessed day. Second of all, let's get straight into the unboxing. So this is just your regular Nike box here. You guys can see right there the size tag, Nike Dunk Low Hyper Cobalt, size 10.5, retailing for $100. Now this isn't an SP, so the quality on these dunks this year, man, it has been downgraded. Last year's dunks, like the Michigan and the Iowa colors, it had great quality leather. These, on the other hand, are a step down. I don't have the vast gray highs yet. They are coming in the mail. I'm still waiting for those. Around my area where I live, there's been a lot of shipping delays, so that's why it's been taking me so long to get these reviews out, because I would hit on sneakers or foot sites, but they just wouldn't come in. So right here, it's just a very clean colorway, man. Like, you cannot go wrong. Cobalt outsole, black and that cobalt blue, kind of like that royal colorway on an Air Jordan 1. It's just very similar, man. This is just a nice clean summer shoe you can throw out with a bunch of outfits. It's just super clean in my opinion. Like, I actually love the quality on the leather is not the greatest. It's not synthetic leather, but it's just not great quality, and for a reason. They're mass producing these. You guys can see the Nike badge on the back. They're mass producing these Nike Dunk Lows this year, so you guys are going to see that the quality is going to be a step down. There might be some flaws on a lot of pairs, but that's just something we're going to have to live with, man. The hype last year was way too much, and Nike's just not going to miss out on that opportunity to make so much money off these, because to be honest, it probably cost them like $5-10 to make these. So them selling it for $100, them making a bunch more, they're getting their cut. The resellers are getting their cut. These are going for around $160 or $200, just depending on the size as well. There's really nothing bad to say about these. If you guys are a fan of the Nike Dunk Lows, this is just yet another very clean colorway. Some people don't really like the black and the blue because it's kind of like dark colors. If this would have been a white toe box and a white midfoot panel, it would have been a lot cleaner. It would have made the blue pop more, but since it's a black and blue, it doesn't really pop out, so it's very dark. But this is just a very dope shoe overall. For the comfortability of it, this is a really old shoe. You guys got to remember that these came out literally in the mid 80s, so like the technology on these shoes, this is a retro, so it's gonna be a step down even from then. There's really no new technology. The insole is pretty much the same, just the black thin insole. Orange on the Nike, I don't know why they went with orange on that, on the Nike logo on the inside. If you guys know in the comments, let me know in the comments down below if you guys know why that it is orange in there. That didn't really make sense with me. But let's just start off with the shoe. You have a black toe box and you have a black nylon tongue coming up. You have your Nike in the Hyper Cobalt color as well. So the two main colors of this shoe is obviously black and the Hyper Cobalt. You guys see around the toe box, around the lace holes, around the lateral heel of the sneaker. Behind it, you have your Nike logo branding embroidered in the back there. White midsole, blue outsole, just a very clean shoe. So you guys let me know in the comment section what you guys think of this shoe. So yeah, what do you guys think about sneakers switching it up, making the Nike Dunks a draw now this year? Last year it wasn't like that. It was kind of like that Leo drop form, first come first serve kinda, but they did switch it up this year, a draw. Hopefully that gives an opportunity for more people to be able to cop shoes. But to be honest, I feel like bots are just getting in on those draws. So it's still hard to cop shoes, man. 2021 is just gonna get a lot harder to cop shoes. So you guys have to do your due diligence in copping shoes, or you're just gonna have to pay resale on them. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this Nike Dunk Low Hyper Cobalt in this nice blue and black with the white midsole in the comment section down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, want you guys to press that like button, that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss another video. You know the vibe, guys. See you guys on the next one.